What's going on YouTube? Good morning. So I'm here working at this high-rise building, and got this pump. When I walked in this morning, it said overcurrent on pump 2. So I'm here looking at it right now. The complaint was that I guess the chiller came on for maybe a brief period, then shut off. So check the chiller. Everything looks all right out there. But what I noticed, I put this sucker in hand. It tries to start up, and it just overamps, goes into alarm, overcurrent. So I'm not sure exactly what might be going on here, but I mean, it doesn't feel binded up. It feels all right. So maybe we got a problem with this motor bearing starting to seize up or something. So let me tear that apart. See if we have that alarm still. Alright, so I got the blow joint already taken apart. Let's go ahead and put this back in hand real quick and see what the hell it does. Oh, turn it on again. Sounds like poo-poo. Yeah, that sounds like doo-doo, man. I think that motor, it's either, because we went all the way up to 27 amps. Well past the overcurrent alarm where we have it set up for, and it's only rated for 23 amps. So we either have a voltage drop or we got something wrong with this motor, perhaps. So I wonder what happens if we put it in bypass. Alright, so once I put this motor in bypass at full 60 hertz, tried to run, kick over, then I started smelling kind of like somebody was welding. And then I just turned it off, checked out the ohms between L1, L2, L2, L3, and L1, L3, and we've got different resistance readings. So this motor is bad. We're gonna have to replace it. Alright, so brand new motors here. 3-phase, 20 horsepower. So I gotta figure out the wiring, which shouldn't be that hard. It's right there. Flip this J-box upside down, or actually right side up, where the conduit will fall into it right there, and line up the shaft. And that's pretty much it, man. We just had a hell of a time trying to get this up the stairwell. We weren't able to go up the elevator all the way up to the roof. That'd be nice, but whatever. Alright, well, it's all complete. Shim kit all over the place. Have this balanced out. With clearance, so I'm good to go. Drives back. Put that back in auto, enabled. Everything's powered up. We tested it. We're going in the right direction. Follow the arrows right here on the loop. Man, I'm tired. It's like about 102 in this mechanical room right here, so forgive me if I'm being real short and to the point. But 460 volt motor, wired up. It's rated for 24.3. At 60 hertz, I was getting about 18.6, so we're well within the rated amp draw. It's not calling right now for the EMS. I guess because we're on a pretty low load, comparatively speaking. You know, it doesn't need that second chiller to come on, so it's just running the chiller pump number 1. So we'll know tomorrow once it rotates back to this pump. if we have any other issues, but we shouldn't. It's a brand new pump. The other one's the one with the issues. So that one's been replaced, removed, and it's gone bye-bye. So this is the new one in. Thanks for watching.